trip through Britannia Creek. It's based in Warburton. It's quite a close set of caves. It's actually really good as a sort of an entry-level cave because you got tons of exits. So yeah, from the point of entry, you head left as you enter.
This granite cave is a fascinating boulder-filled stream channel. Formed by underground streams, this natural wonder emerged from rapid mass failures along the valley side slopes. As a result, granite boulders and weathered materials were deposited into the stream beds, creating a maze of cavities and fissures. Over time, the relentless movement of water sculptured the space, leaving behind a network of intriguing formations. Inside the cave harbours glowworms, visible in aptly named Glowworm Passage, and is also home to bats, adding to an aura of mystique to this captivating underground realm. Britannia Creek Caves is a full cave system split into two parts. Part 1 begins downstream at the main entry, while Part 2 is accessed upstream by a large fallen tree.
So this area, I guess, is quite interesting. The water section. It's quite deep in some areas, so I'm just trying to keep my feet out if I can. Yeah, quite a short cave. I mean, there's still plenty of little areas you can check out. You should probably do it partnering with somebody, just in case, because you never know. Quite easy to injure yourself under there. But there, once you're done, gorgeous views like this. Just a great place to check stuff out, to be honest.
Thank you for exploring Britannia Creek Cave with us. A huge shout out to our sponsors Slower Boots, Cotopaxi Hiking Gear and Off Track. Your support fuels our adventures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Horizon on YouTube and Rumble. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest using the handle Explore Horizon Oz for exciting updates and behind the scenes content. Join the Horizon community and let's keep exploring together.